How to create a video on the REDnote app. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can easily make a video on the REDnote app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up the REDnote app and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. Now all you need to do is on the bottom you will see different tabs like home, videos, and then from here you'll see the plus icon. So go ahead and tap on the plus icon to create a video. And once you do that, it will ask you for permissions to your camera roll and your camera access. You just have to allow these permissions. So just tap on allow. And once you have selected the video from here, you can just tap on select and then tap on next. And it will take you to the editing page where you have a bunch of options to make your video attractive. So for example, you can add effects to your video. You can add text or subtitles. It's mostly in Chinese, but you can also find some English text here if you search for it. And then you also have other options like adding stickers. You can trim the video if you want, so you can adjust the size of the video or the length of it. And then if you tap on the more options, you'll have other options here as like template, canvas, and subtitle as well. And once you are done editing, tap on next. And then from here, you can add the title of your video, add a short description, or if you want to add emoji, you can do that as well. And then tap on post. And that's how you easily create a video on the REDnote app. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.